Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at this question today from the rotor craft theory. Now, which of the following statements describe the difference between the helicopter and autogyro? Once again, which of the following statements describe the difference between the helicopter and autogyro? A. The rotor is powered by the engine or not during the cruise flight. B. The capability of the takeoff vertically. C. The capability to land vertically. D. Auto-rotation landing capability. Now, don't let us forget that helicopter have a powered rotor. Once again, helicopter have a powered rotor, meaning that the engine provide the necessary power to the rotor during the vertical takeoff and the horizontal cruise flight. In contrast with the autogyro, which have unpowered rotor that relies on auto rotation during the cruise flight. And don't let us forget that auto rotation is a phenomenon where the rotor keeps turning even if the engine is not providing power, allowing for the gliding descent. So therefore, from this particular option, the statement that describes the difference between the helicopter and autogyro is A, that is, the rotor is powered by the engine or not during the cruise flight.